These are the elevators at 209 9th Street in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are some 1980s Dover elevators. Ooh, I like that light basement. Dover traditional indicators on the outside, but impulse fixtures. Marshall elevator, no Dover, but that's odd. These are probably modernized. Here at the basement, up to 10. I think it's just burned out because I heard the chime. Basement. Six is as high as we can go. Relay controlled, no floor passing chime. Here at 6 is a bit creaky. Go back down to 1. No contacts on the buttons. Non-ADA phone. Magnets are taped, that's odd. Very nice cab. I really like that light. And look at that border. I think these may have been modernized, yeah. These are very historic looking cabs. Lantern, very 1980s. Emergency light, I think that's the original one from before mod. Here at 1, have the old micro key switches. It chimes even when it's not in use, that's odd. Most impulses don't do that. I think the indicator is just in power safe. There it goes, and that's it.